Good morning, guys, and welcome to the Spark and Trade Show. It is Tuesday, June 6th. Man, I do feel kind of wonky, stomach bug, I feel. But the show must go on. I may not trade heavy today, put on 1 or 2 trades, which is probably like my normal day, and just kind of call it a day. Let's go give out some of these levels. A lot has not changed. We came down from heaven yesterday. Funny enough, when we were above this line, you can think 2 things. The red line up here, that's a 1 hour supply. You can think that we either come back down or kind of break out of it. So in this case, it kind of broke out of it. And then yesterday they maxed out and then slammed so far below it. And now they established a new 1 hour line, which is around the 4 hour money zone. That's what this green circle is. So essentially, I do think the market is going to remain bearish for a while, probably bounce off of this level. If they break that, we really got some really terrible move all the way down. So if they break that, I'll move the supply line down. But until then, we're going to treat that as demand. All right, but we do have a 1 hour bearish trend. If we go over to the daily and 4 hour on ES, definitely bullish. And right now we're in that zone. So I'm expecting either a big drop or another pop back up. We'll see. We are grinding along this 200 moving average, which I think I'm going to start just swinging anytime we cross above that and just kind of hold it and see what the hell happens instead of trying to day trade. So yeah, because that's a really strong magnet, man. And definitely in a case like this, when it's green and it's just kind of getting there, where's the swing? All right, anyways, let's get to these levels. 1 hour is still hovering right there at 4294. Demand has moved up to 4274. 15 minute, definitely got some new levels here that we could play with. Ooh, this is sexy. 15 minute way up here now at 4305. That was the 15-minute line we shorted yesterday. What a move to the downside. I'm crazy. We have new 15-minute demand now, right here, which we are currently below, 4278. That is a fresh line, demand that came in yesterday. Nice little bounce, drop. They're fighting right there, bouncing off the 1 hour, currently rejecting the 15-minute. Let's go over to the 5. Okay, 5 minute has demand right there where they're kind of fighting, and supply right there, and that's 4281 and 277. So we have a pretty strong demand down here. I'm looking to probably long out of this area if we could catch a new kind of 5 minute demand, or maybe not, maybe just kind of put an order down there and stop out if they violate this level. But we do have a triple threat, I believe, to the downside. Bearish on the 5 minute, kind of bearish on the 15, and definitely bearish on the So you can go shorts in this area, but it's too close, so I'll wait for them to pop up, then take shorts, because the bears are in control, or long down here and get that pop up. All right, we are underneath the 200 moving average, and that's acting as resistance right now. And we are underneath it on the 5. All right, cool. So there goes your ES levels, guys. 4277. go into a 15-minute real quick. Show what just happened yesterday. Make sure they see the levels. Pop. Look at this. NQ still has no 1 hour level, meaning supply level. So we're just gonna make the base up there, your 1 hour level. Well, maybe not, because this is 15. All right, let's take a look in the back, figure out how we can continue to use the macro. We do have an established daily demand right there. Holy crap. All right, so we got daily demand. Daily supply on NQ, where this big red line is. Let's keep that there because I'm never going to use that. And this is a 1 hour level here. So 14,262. That's your daily supply level, 14,262 on NQ. You have demand at the same area here at 14,512. Correct? Yep. All right, let's take it to the 15 minute. See what the 15 minute has in store for us. $14,689. Demand is still at 543 on the 15 minute. Well, that's actually changed. 543 on the 15 minute. Let's go over to the 5 minute. 5 minute, then tighten us up a little bit more. Wakata. And Wakata. 615 is supply. $566 is demand. All right, guys. So I have a lot of supply up here. Demand is where we are now, currently basing out to the right, kind of consolidating within this range. You can play the 5 minute targets, which is down here and up there, or wait till they kind of break through that and then take the move back up if you see some sort of evidence. Right now, this is going to probably flip bullish, but the macros are bearish right there on the 15 minute, bearish on the 1 hour, but struggling. So don't know which way this is gonna go. It looks like a really good fight right here. I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. And here is your 4 hour, kind of 4 hour money zone, okay? Let's go confirm that. That was it yesterday. Here it goes today. Interesting to see if the price melts through that or not, but we'll see. Okay. go to SPY really quickly, guys. See what's going on with SPY. 15-minute down SPY. Do 15-minute right here. $426 is demand. Um, 429.58 is supply here on SPY now. 429. So you guys, we're battling again in this zone right here. This demand is kind of acting. We'll probably get a rejection off of the 200, continue to fall down, maybe into the 1 hour. I think that we have a possible bullish kind of rally after this drop. Well, we'll see what happens. This is your 15-minute. Your 5-minute has demand right here, 42673. $42722. Let's just go to the 1 hour. 1 hour has these new levels. Yeah, so 1 hour is right below us. Okay, they established a 1 hour demand down there at 42649. And this is still currently demand that we fell from yesterday. Okay. So I didn't move that, which was good, but that did turn into supply that we fell from yesterday, but that did turn into demand during the day. All right, last but not least, the Qs. All right, so we don't have any 1 hour on the Qs. We're gonna keep it all the way up there at 372. Right now we're at 354, so that's about a 20-point move to the upside. Market could rally, I don't know when it's going to, but you know, we've had some really crazy jumps. Like for example, 32, we woke up, it was at 39, then we woke up, it was at 49, a 10-point move, consolidated a little bit, but nice little rally from 46 to 57, so we could get there. Yeah.
So they're gonna come down here tomorrow.
Cool. Okay.
If you don't mind, they're gonna make the bed in the guest room, so when that is finished, can you just take it up to the guest room?
Sure.
Okay.
372.29 is your 4 hour high level there. 349.57. We're gonna keep that there for the 1 hour demand. On the 15-minute, we're gonna move this to where we fell from yesterday, 357.33. $353.83 is demand. That's your 15-minute demand. Let's go down to the 5 minutos. $354.87. $354.51. $354. All right, there we go. Those are your levels for today, guys. We got nothing but clear sky if we can get above this territory, and that seems to be the probable play. You want to bounce over here and get it up there. All right, let's see. Let's give them a 15-minute snapshot of the market. So once again, guys, you can find all these levels on Twitter. You can also join the Discord, Spark and Trade Discord, where we have all these levels live. I'm gonna try to like make these call outs, not only through live, but also put the call outs in the play channel. So that way we knew to short this level up here on, I believe I took it on the Qs, and that ended up paying big time. But we knew way ahead of time. It wasn't like, there wasn't no real like FOMO into the play. You just had all this time right here. Once this was established, you had 15, 30, 45 to an hour, 115. So yeah, you had a lot of time during this to kind of formulate the play. We got stopped out on this move to the upside, bouncing off the money zone. Once that happened, we reloaded when this big guy came in. Again, now making that our stop, and it ended up paying like crazy. Got out in the orange candles there. So we didn't quite take it all the way to target. I couldn't believe the market fell like that. But there was a reason why this was target, and I believe it was a previous, right, so this is it right here. This is your previous demand zone that we broke out of. So supply zone that we broke out of turned demand. So we were like, all right, well, we could take the market. The market could be going there. And it ended up doing that. We're probably gonna get some smoke somewhere right here and then bounce back down. So I don't know. I do think that we are at 4-hour levels that are strong back to the upside. We are currently at Delta 1, standard deviation 1 for longs. Have a lot of room to fall from on the 1 hour, and this is where the bullish momentum is coming from on the micros. So it's interesting to see what ends up happening. All right, we got about 9 minutes to spare, guys. Good luck. Hopefully we don't see any kind of wild goose move. Again, take it easy. Got some definite demand down here. Let's see what happens. We go down the SPY. All right. All right, guys, we got 2 minutes before the open. ES is struggling to kind of get out of this range here. This 5 minute is holding it down up here, and the money zone, it looks like we're bouncing at from down here. Once again, we are in a squeeze scenario on all 3 time frames. We're going to see some wicked price actions just like yesterday, so brace yourself. If you don't understand what the squeeze is, yesterday we opened up and we were in this green cloud scenario. We wicked up, came back down, wicked back up, came all the way back down after that wick up, and then we slowly grind to the upside, and then we dumped. All of this was during a 1 hour squeeze, and I believe it was also on a smaller time frame. That's a kind of price action that I think an options you want to be a part of, but you can't get caught on the wrong side. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking there.
So it just wasn't the 30, 40 contracts that I usually would trade.
Right. Yeah, that just yesterday was just difficult. It was a weird day yesterday.
It turned into a good day if people stood around when the Apple conference ended. Apple just started tanking, and it was a real good.
For sure.
Well, it was just a great setup overall. Like the lower high was so fucking clean. Like, if I was trading that would have been a size trade. But I got off the computer after I nailed Apple. I probably was on the computer for maybe like another 10, 15 minutes, and then I dipped out when everyone was in here. I just left. I was like, I'm good.
Yo, they starting the bloodbath before the friggin' market opened. That was a damn play, the shorts. And they going right into demand, so I don't think I want to take it down here, but if any pops, I'll probably join them. Like longs at 4274, which is the base on ES.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we haven't hit a back in a while, right?
Shit.
Yeah, but sometimes that's just how the market goes. Like, sometimes you don't get pullbacks, you just get consolidation periods.
Right, that's true.
Yeah. So if we are on the right side of the V at this point, there is a good chance that, we could pull back for sure. Like, it looks like we're going to pull back, but how big is the pullback really going to be? Do they just let it bleed out in the morning and then V-shape it right back up and then turn it into a consolidation on the macro view? Like, I think that's more likely what's going to happen, but who knows, because we are pretty heavy right now, so we'll see.
Ooh, they broke it. NQ broke it.
Yeah, that key, the level that I've had for the last couple of days on the NQ has been 14,570. As soon as that just rolled down, it flushed straight under that level. So we'll see if it can rebound to that level.
Yeah, they're coming right into. Oh my goodness.
SPY's at, or not SPY. SPY's at previous day's lows. So is ES.
Yeah, I might load up a call right here on the SPY.
All right, I just sniped some NQ short straight out the open for that. But
Oh, no. Nice.
yeah, I'm out. I'm out already. Ooh, right before that bounce. That was a play I had straight from like, which go, I could have stayed. This shit is coming back. Yeah, this market might be heavy, boys. They broke the 1 hour demand.
Looks like SPY is forming a 3-bar play to the downside right now in the 1 minute. I don't know if you're interested in that, LMD.
Yeah, I'm watching it and seeing. I'm gonna see. I got it loaded both ways. Got calls and puts.
You guys
loaded.
seen what happened to coin this morning?
Yeah, I saw it tanked, what was it, 30%?
Yeah, I think Nate shorted it.
Dang.
Yeah.
Will they have earnings coming out?
No, they have a lawsuit against Binance.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Really crazy.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if the ES is gonna hold right here at the 50, get back above it, or now I'll look for it.
Yo, this lead out on NQ is actually really insane right now. This is just a straight blood. We're gonna get some sort of velocity move back to the upside, I think.
Yeah, it doesn't look violent though. It looks like the bears have it. That was a perfect money zone rejection off the 1 hour. This candle right here, this new 5-minute candle, I think this is where the, this is actually a 2-minute chart I'm watching, where the second fucking fall might come in from.
I think it's gonna get to previous day's lows, and then I'll determine what's gonna happen once it gets there.
What are you watching, Jonathan?
I like Apple if it can hold previous day's lows. I like Microsoft previous day's lows. Everything's just basically previous day low plays.
Okay, gotcha.
Apple's probably the best one though, because it still has more for the, but Amazon's looking great right now. We could break previous day's high.
Alright, that's a nice bounce. Take shorts on that pullback.
I'm liking Google as well. Holding 5.
But it's right at previous day's close.
Yeah, definitely be careful right there. Oh, I think Microsoft's got a 3-bar play on the 2-minute. Never mind, no, it didn't.
Damn, bro, this shit is getting slaughtered. Oh my god, look at NQ. This should look crazy. Oh, that would have been a great day already. I'd have been done.
Yeah, nah, this one in the mornings, I'm gonna just sit and wait and see if it's gonna bounce and come back up.
NQ has 512 for a bounce.
Is y'all's Thinkorswim extremely slow this morning again?
Nah, I'm
Mine's just moving.
Nah, mine's not too bad.
yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, mine is like stupid slow. Cause look at the ad is coming back up.
Yeah, it is coming back up, but yeah, my Thinkorswim is going around.
Alright, that 512 level is getting approached, and 5 minutes shows that buyers are stepping in there. I'm not gonna FOMO into shit. Let them drop.
I like the NQ now because it's coming up the previous low of day.
For the bounce?
Yeah, let's watch that one.
What's that level?
14,512.
75, yeah.
Yep, I got that.
I missed it though.
I think you good. I think you good, brother. It's gonna probably crack that and then bounce. They
Yeah,
work.
Amazon's a monster right now. Amazon's at previous day's high or above it.
Let's go, Amazon. I need that shit. Here you go, LMD. Another swing down. That's fucking a bloodbath.
Yeah, but you don't want to see topping wicks. That's the problem. So this same move is not how it shouldn't be like this. So I don't think LMD is gonna like a play like that.
Yeah.
Because the what is it? The EV is different.
Wee. There it goes. All right, they just cracked it. Now we just have to wait for 15 minutes or 5 minutes to show us evidence. Damn, bro, I could have held that shit for another fucking run. Jesus. Dude, I had a sick ass entry, 558 on this thing.
Are we macro wise?
So it went down to 506, 558. So almost 50 points.
Yeah, my computer, I got to reboot, man. This is stupid.
That's a good bottom wick right there on that 2 minute.
My computer is stupid slow.
You might miss. You might miss it,
100%. Yeah, let me reboot, man. Look at the NQ2. I should have took that on. But that's the crazy thing. It's not my computer. It's freaking Thinkorswim because NQ is moving perfect.
That shit went right into the net.
Not NQ, but Tradle Fade is acting good. Yeah, that would have been a perfect bounce for the NQ right there.
I want to see how high they gonna go. I don't think
30
it's over.
points is up already from the bounce. Yeah, that would have been a nice play.
I don't think it's over, LMD.
There's no news today, by the way.
I think we'll get our shot. Just gotta look for the double bottom play.
So today, if there's no news, 10 o'clock is going to be the deciding factor of the trend or not. Because if there's no news, there's nothing to move this market unless we get breaking news.
Damn, Jazz swung some fucking calls. He just got crushed this morning. Let's see if this 2 minute candle forms a high or low.
Yeah, Thinkorswim been garbage lately. I need to check, see what's up with my $100 that they supposed to be giving me.
Hundo P.
Look where the Amazon's keeping firm right now. I just don't want to see a flush. So I want to anticipate that it could flush before going long. So I'm not trying to entertain going long until I see maybe a flush. Or we see a swipe and then I'll join the trend as it dips off of that swipe for a trend. If Amazon wants to move like that.
Golly, Netflix. Ooh, look at Airbnb with the pop.
Bro, Airbnb so trash, bro. It's better getting a fucking hotel than going to doing Airbnbs, bro. That shit's so expensive.
I think it's gotten expensive.
What happened?
It's gotten expensive. Like, I mean,
Yeah, it has. It has for sure. Because I can stay at the, what is it, the Ritz, and it's cheaper for me to stay at the Ritz than get an Airbnb.
Yeah, it just depends on, like, when we went to Vegas, it was a whole lot cheaper for us to just get a house.
Yeah, because you got a group. You have a group.
Yeah.
It's different. But if I'm going there with my wife, I might as well stay at the Ritz because it's gonna be cheaper. And the Ritz is a nice ass. Like, I don't know if you've been to the Ritz in Clearwater, but you might as well go to the Ritz and be right on the beach, private beach. Then get a fucking house on the beach where it's gonna be like 10 times the price.
You got Etsy.
And you have to pay for the cleaning fees.
Etsy snapping back up. Chewy looks like we're almost hitting 39 LMD. We're at 37.91, about to crack 38.
AMD's above previous day's high.
Shop looks like it's making a run too, but it's in a bearish kind of scenario, so don't like that one. At least not for longs.
Vincent made like 7K off of that.
Billy done ripped this morning. I was watching HOTH. I missed it when I just rebooted my computer. Actually, no. They got a 2 minute. Let's see.
Tesla getting crushed. Nvidia with a good bounce, about to test previous day or pre-market high.
30. Let's do 40 shares. 30 cents.
AMD on a run, AMD. Amazon bouncing back after that hold there, Vega.
Yeah, but
That would have been that was a sick ass setup so far on NQ that we called. I'm looking for a possible rejection though at the money zone. So let's get back to the charts, guys. Here goes ES. Not quite to the money zone yet on ES, but let's take a look at NQ.
Meta slow grinder right now is firming up versus the flush that it had. This is what I like to see for long, for what it's worth.
All right, so that was a sick ass bounce from the 1 hour demand to the 15-minute demand.
AMD just went fucking nuts, bro. What the hell? It went up like 3 points. Like, yo, chill. What the fuck? That's crazy.
Nah, this shit is in a triple threat. I think I'm gonna follow the trend today. I'm looking to short NQ again if they hit like 5.5s, 5.50, 5.55, like get into that area.
I'm waiting on it to snap real quick over this previous day's low, hopefully. Otherwise, I'm gonna get out of this trade. I'm in some Q calls.
I'm gonna take a starter here on Amazon and a few. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of time, but I want to put a starter on. Not gonna go big on size. Maybe I'm gonna lower my starter actually. I don't want to go that size.
All right, I'm out of those Q contracts. I didn't like how that was
Stalling.
reacting.
The problem with my play is that we're in demand, bro. If I let them get all the way up to the 1 hour supply or money zone, that would be a good play.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit before I put my starter on.
These fuckers are dropping already.
You all right over there, man?
Was that me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely wasn't me, bro. What the fuck?
I remember I wanted to short this again. They're dropping again on NQ.
I like Amazon the way it's firming up on VWAP. I just don't want to see a flush. But if this flush holds on NQ and we firm up off of it, I can deem this is a higher low. And then you can use kind of risk of previous lows. Previous day's lows. Ooh, that flush on Amazon might, if it doesn't firm up off of VWAP here, it'd be there.
This is what I wanted to see happen right here at bottom and tail on both the Qs and the SPY to kind of set a higher low with a bottom and tail.
This volume was in that previous candle. I didn't check that. 120. All of these candles have been in the hundreds. Yeah, I'm a scoop. I have a starter on Amazon right now.
Man, my computer is too freaking slow to be trying to really trade like this. And I know it's not my computer. I know it's
Okay, nice bounce back up there. That's what I want to see.
Get rid of GUI.
I'm gonna put my order in now, guys. 550s. Let me see. Sell that.
I think a swing would be so good if they just worked on their infrastructure. Get out of this damn Java mess.
So I'm out of this if they break 64, 65. I'm out of this. I'm trying to get into NQ short around 550. So money zone short. Triple threat play. We are at demand zone, so this could be kind of dangerous. Going for a 2-to-1. Let's get it.
Meta's looking very strong. My Amazon's working right now.
You long or short?
I'm long it, but it's at previous day's close, and it's only a starter. So if I lose, I'm probably risking like 15 to 20 bucks.
Gotcha.
I want to size in if it can stay firm above, and we got a nice break. So if it can start staying firm, then I want to start scaling into this position. But we have to get firm above previous high of day, and we're having a little bit of difficulties. But the grind is telling us that it looks good, so we'll see.
Gotcha. I'm really loving futures, man.
Yeah, futures has been easier than individual stocks right now.
Yeah, especially I trade them in the evening, so it loses a lot of that volatility, and you can just trade the chart.
There we go. Nice little break on Amazon. My contracts are actually booming right now. Even as a starter, this is actually looking really good. Yeah, this is looking incredible, actually. Wow. Wow, this is actually crazy. Whoa. My fucking premiums just like shot up ridiculously right now. I'm up 20%.
Oh, nice.
I like Nvidia for a possible move.
I'm close to 30% now. What the fuck? Alright, I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna readjust. Cause now I want to get scaled if we start keeping firm. So I just made 20% off of that. 23%.
All right, they're approaching our entry on NQ, guys.
Apple's looking real weak comparative to like other names.
Come on, get in there.
Google looks good. Hey, Google's a good one. Google's a good one over previous day's close in my opinion. As shooting up, we're now plus now.
Get in there, baby. Here we go. I got an order to get in at 57 on this NQ pop, guys. That demand play was fucking fire.
What the heck? Oh, man. What you call it? Deleted my layout. That's crazy. Tradeovate. They have totally changed my layout.
Google could be nice here. I'm actually pull up Google really quick. Google and Amazon both look well. Google's setup looks better, but Amazon at previous day's high, I know it's actually better because it's at a better spot.
Just trying to be patient here, but you guys can get in.
Been a nice retest too, man.
Looks like the ad wants to make a full recovery.
Yeah, that's positive right now.
Man, I don't think I'm gonna get no other trade in than EQ. I mean, than the Qs, because I gotta leave at 10.
Yeah,
My
Google
computer.
was sexy, dude.
Take that. I'm waiting for the fucking stops to get triggered. Here we go.
My contract shot up 20% like nothing. That was insane.
I just took a 2-hour trade on HOTH, Hoth. I don't know if any of you guys watched the small cap this morning, but
Yeah, I took an order out of the system on that because my computer was jacked up. I was looking at the 5-minute chart. Had like a 5-minute 3-bar play trying to set up when I was watching it.
yeah. Kind of, it might still give a 4-bar play.
All right, I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock now. We're 10 minutes away. I'm gonna sit and wait. I know I might miss something, but no, this is the proper time where I should wait. There's quite a few good setups here today. Google's a nice one. Amazon setting up nicely. And those are the two best ones in my opinion. But Apple right now, it's firmed up above previous lower days. So if it can stay firm above this level, we might be able to see a good little pop up to 180s again, but it has to stay firm.
I'm trying to be patient on this trade.
What you in?
I tried to get in at 57 on NQ. They just dropped about 15 points, but I didn't get in. Just trying to be patient, let them kind of bounce back up a little bit, but they hit the 50 HMA on the 5, so.
Also touch VWAP.
What a fucking play, bro. If this shit goes back to lows, that shit would have been a nail.
I'm happy I got out on Amazon when I did, thank God.
Anybody that got into that, you guys are looking good. Oh, that was a sick ass money zone, bro.
Dude, if I wasn't on size on that trade, I would have been done for the day already. I would have been up $600.
That's ridiculous.
30 fucking points just now on that drop. And counting. Well. Perfect, bro.
See what happens here, because it's going right back down to previous day's lows, so double bottom, possibly, question mark. Who knows?
They got 5-minute demand at 519, so if they can get through that, then it's lights out. I just don't want to take this now, bro. Fucking too far away.
Yeah, Google looked really good and now it's looking really bad, but it could be range bound as well, so I want to keep an eye on this 125.50s area, 125.50s, 40s. I want to pay attention to that, just in case we get range bound, because that could be a nice little range trade. But like I said, I got 8 more minutes until I get back in the game.
Fuck, I could have taken ES too. I'm over here watching NQ like a hawk though. Alright, fuck it. We'll wait for the next setup.
Where are we at in terms of Apple's macro?
We're bouncing back into the kill zone. Kill zone is 50 or better, guys.
How much volume is this candle? 8 million?
Some good ass bounce right here. Come on in there, come on in there.
AMD surging, Nvidia surging. Oh my god.
Yeah, it looks like the
That
ad's
means-
trying to go to 0. Or the USD.
My ad's already positive 291 and it opened up negative 622.
It's 50, right? 50 is the kill zone. Yeah, the AD USD broke through negative 1500. It's looked like it's trying to go to 0. So,
Dude, Apple, what the fuck? Where's Apple going? Where are you going, buddy?
2 minute looking bullish.
Where are you trying to go to? I'm trying to look up like real macro type areas because I guess 176.90s.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at based off the hourly you're looking at.
I'm thinking like 176.90s possibly, I guess.
What was that? 52. Come on.
Maybe 70s. I don't know. We'll have to see because if it's getting real weak, then I want to be real patient with it. I don't want to catch a falling knife when there's easier things to trade. AMD, bro, what's the news? I'm checking this out. Oh, the price target to 150 from 110. Damn. That's really good.
15 minute target is 61 to 66. Alright, fuck it. Let's do it.
Microsoft is staying nice and firm over flushes, so it's best to assume that flushes are going to be soaked. So, the flush at 950, flush at 943, flush at 934, they're all being caught. So with that being said, if Microsoft flushes, gets firm, it's a good chance you can join that trend as long as it stays intact. Just looking at previous price action, so like that little flush right there, if it starts staying firm off of that, that could be nice. Amazon back at high a day or previous day's high. But it looks choppy. Even the 5 minute doesn't look good. So I'm definitely gonna sit out and wait until the 5 minute actually looks good. The 5 minute looks like shit for Amazon right now. Apple looks weak on the 5 minute, like very, very weak. Meta looks very strong. Meta's the strongest name that I'm looking at right now. Every candle's been green on the 5 minute.
Meta's going up.
Yeah, bro, Meta's fucking.
Oh no, I wanted Nvidia. I think not Meta. Nvidia did the pop that I needed. Oh, this pullback, I like this.
This pullback has to hold 390.40s in my opinion.
Problem is the contracts are fucking expensive, bro.
Yeah, I don't like how expensive the Nvidia contracts are.
It's for 3 days though, so maybe that's worth it. Let me see.
I think they're just too expensive.
Yeah.
I think they're gonna be toying with the premiums on that.
I'll come back to that in a second. Let's go. All right, they're giving me a second chance on
holding these higher lows very well.
Which one?
NQ, it's holding higher lows really well.
I'm shorting that shit. I'm waiting for them to get into my zone, bro. This is not a bad entry here. That was another 56 top. Damn, bro. Fuck.
Damn, Thinkorswim still hadn't booted back up.
Come on, give me that move where y'all go for the stop
You think Thinkorswim still hasn't loaded up?
I deleted that user GUI folder to like delete all the junk out of it. So now it has to install all the updates again. Usually I do this like before the market opens. I don't know why I did it, but Thinkorswim was moving way too slow.
I don't like how
short?
Amazon's getting wiki.
You short right now? Spark.
On NQ, I'm not in, but I'm trying to short it right here at this level up here. If they get it into the 50s or 60s, it's a kill box.
I just don't like how it's grinding.
Yeah, the next move down is going to be bad. You're not even going to see it coming. It's kind of like the strategy there. They're going to hit the money zone where orders are stacked to fucking short it. The only thing that I don't like is the USD is going up, but I'm not going to care about that right now. I'll just stop out. They keep hitting the 5 minute money zone and bouncing right back down. If they take out 519, then
1 minute to 10.
basically kill.
Actually, 15 seconds.
Cool. Hopefully I get that spike in the drop.
I wonder if my internet then went down again. That's probably what it is. This internet sucks in this dang building. Yeah, because Google not loading up.
Here we go, 10 a.m.
Yeah, this is ridiculous, man.
LMD, they not gonna give it to me. So not gonna get it. You should.
Then you 1 hour candle.
Got some volatility coming in there. Come on, go for the stops. Go for the stops.
If this thing deleted my layout, I'm gonna be hot.
Like fire.
I gotta to save a template.
Ah, you bastard. Let me stop talking. Either take the trade or chill.
Yeah, look like I'll just be trading in the evening again.
Here they come rotating back down. They need to hit 19. If they hit 19, it's over. I missed this trade.
Wow, it deleted the freaking layout.
On TOS?
Trade evade.
Yeah, that happens sometimes. You might see it come back later on in the day.
Yeah, but that's stupid. Why do I need to wait till later in the day?
I don't even know how it happens, bro. So I couldn't even tell you like the mechanisms for it. But I've been seeing that happen to me sometimes where I don't have my layouts or my indicators, and I'm just like, well, whatever.
Yeah. See, the good thing was I saved the template for my charts, but I didn't get a chance to save the entire chart layout. It's like every time that my internet goes down and I have to reboot, it deletes the entire layout.
You guys are still long bias on MQ? This thing is holding lows, man.
That's what I'm saying. Like I don't like the shorts here. Now I'm not saying the longs are amazing, but I don't like the shorts.
The problem is we're in demand zones, big time ones too. Like the 1 hour is where we bounced off of. That was at 512 level. And right now we have 543 that is your 15-minute supply demand. But we're in a triple threat, so I either take the demand play back up or I'm going to take the triple threat down. I'm going with the triple threat. I just need them to get up to the 15-minute zone. This fucker's not going to hit me with the stop loss, huh? Ooh, look at ES grinding now. ES is grinding. Let's go.
Wow, it finally is about to let me log in to Thinkorswim. Glad I got out of that. What is the Q's doing right now? Just grinding?
I'm looking like the same thing as NQ, honestly. Yeah, the NQ's ripping up.
Bring her to Papa. Get the chopper.
Bro, I feel like this is the right side of the V, dogs.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, you have to kind of see a flush below, in my opinion, you have to see a flush below like 1540 is what you want to see. You want to see it below 1540. It has to stay under that. Like if it can't stay under that, I don't like it because this shit's getting bidded up.
My first.
And it has previous days low right under.
Mm-hmm.
It's getting bidded up. I mean, yes, you have VWAP and previous days closed above it as well, but the price action is showing it's trending in the right direction. And it already tanked from early morning, so this could be the V-shaped recovery. But like I said, if it stays under 40, it could be sexy for a short.
I missed it, dogs. My entry was 5.7, so I wouldn't have to worry about none of that. Like the break of 40 or not, I'd be able to get out at 60 something, which is the money's on a 15-minute. If they break that, I don't want no parts of it. But if they take out 519, bro, that 5-minute demand is a wrap. I just got into some NVIDIA. I had a cheap order. Damn. Here comes the next fucking rotation down, possibly. Oh my god! The fuck just happened with NVIDIA? I got no drag or nothing on that order. Oh my god. Alright, whatever. Here we go. I'm in that NVIDIA long.
You see how the NQ's having trouble at 40 right now?
Yeah. See, I would have been up like fucking 30, 40, 50, almost 40 points. Oh my god, I'm getting crushed on NVIDIA, bro. Oh, well, we got some time on that. Let's see.
Yeah, this move is ugly right here. The move we're getting right now.
Yeah,
Okay,
man,
great.
that money zone move is sick, bro. That 519, you got to get through that though.
What is the macro resistance here on AMD is what I want to check. Because this shit has just surged. I guess 124. It has to get to 124 in order for me to get interested for a short on AMD. Try to pull up other. Yeah, about 124. And I can be interested maybe. I wouldn't try to hop in front of this thing for a short. If people are hopping in front, they're gonna get shit on.
Shit, look at ES. ES is like looking like it's just trying to go the other way.
Yeah, the ES looks stronger right now than it's above VWAP, so it looks stronger than NQ right now. So if NQ could play catch up, that would be nice.
And the USD is still approaching 0. Wow, man, that's.
Yeah, 80 QD is at plus 524, and it opened up at negative 600.
A nice NQ bounce there. I'm gonna kill this order right now since I'm in a.
Hold on, my dog's acting up. I gotta store this toy in the garage, bro. I don't know how she keeps getting this toy, bro. I don't know who keeps giving it to her. Thanks, sir.
Create alert. Same goal.
All right, cool. I got my layout saved now. Oh, snap. It was right there the whole time.
On the back.
It was called dark layout. Dummy.
Let's go. NVIDIA with the bounce. Or is that something else? NQ, it didn't load yet. Yeah, it's had a nice bounce too though. Damn, I could have got that shit way cheaper. 20 something points cheaper. I'm in on NVIDIA longs. Honestly, I think I have a triple threat play here to the downside though. So let me just try to figure out where the hell demand is at. 1 hour demand is way at 377, 381.
I think I'm gonna go long ES right here. What kind of
NVIDIA snapped, it fucking tapped out at 15-minute supply. Sheesh, no good, papa. All right, let's see what we got. Probably get out of this trade break even if I don't want it. Wow, look at that ES pop. Fucking A, bro. New ES 5-minute demand. Whoa, a full recovery on ES from this morning's drop. Should have longed the 274s. Look at this thing rip. Market probably just needed to catch up on that dump. The VIX are getting killed, but this momentum is not matching up.
I need this to pop one more good time for me. Don't pull back, because I'm gonna have to get out of this trade.
Where you get in on ES?
I'm in at 14,549. 2 contracts.
Oh, you did NQ.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, NQ. I'm on the right side of the chart, just the wrong freaking thing.
Got you. Looking good, man. With this momentum back up to the upside, I would watch out for the 60s. They can get to the 50s, the 60s is the next level of concern on that one.
Yeah, I'm looking out to the left. I'm trading this off of trade rate. Booyah, good break.
Yep, there goes my
Oh,
trigger.
I'm about to hit first target. Ooh, another $100. Solid.
Shit,
All right.
snap.
Let's see. Come on, push that first target. On your trader vape, do you have? But you say you don't use the ladder though, right?
Ooh, that shit is out, bro. Alright, where they going? 1 hour zone, 15-minute, they just broke through that. Next area of concern is the 70s. If they break through 70s, it's over, bro. Full recovery.
That was target. That was a quick $100 right there. That was a quick $100 right there. Way to go. All right, I'm done for the day. Dude, I think I'm done with trading options, trading all of that stuff over at Thinkorswim. I'm about to just focus on trading freaking futures, man. Yeah. I think that's going to be my play. That way I can focus more on just those two. I got a simple layout where I can trade ES on one side, I could trade NQ on the other side.
5-minute demand. Sexy.
And that was on 2 contracts.
Yeah, bro, you don't need that much on what you call it.
Quick, very quick $100.
So this is the 70 level. Shit, if you liked it before, take it now.
Yeah, and if that was an options trade, that probably would not have even still worked out like that. I catch y'all downstairs. I gotta go head out the office. Be right back.
Meta's just everything under 5 minutes just green. Meta has not had one red 5-minute candle yet.
Oh wow, yeah, it's coming into a resistance though, off the hourly a bit. Just based off just the past couple days. Nothing, but maybe I don't know. I wouldn't take anything, but maybe it might be like an exhaustion kind of short play up there.
Sheesh, Nvidia's coming back down. Big time. That was a good fucking fall right there. Chewy grinding. Look at Etsy. Etsy is flying. Airbnb still flying. Oh man, that was a nice short again on fucking NQ. .1 hour fucking zone right there, a hit.
Look at this.
Ooh, nice pop. Shit, leaving 55, bro. The fuck? What a short right there on NQ money zone at 70s. That's not good for fucking Nvidia, right? Okay, Nvidia bounced, thank God. That shit is crazy. I'm still bearish on NQ, guys.
Yeah, the QQQ is definitely looking weaker than SPY.
Yeah, they still stuck in a triple threat. That was just a nice little pop from demand on the 5 minute. And we have 15-minute demand at 543. So it's both ways, but I like the shorts based on the setup. I'm just trying to get a good entry, you know? Fucking have to worry about any of this bullshit. And now we made it to zero, which is super like crazy. We were talking about this longs until we hit zero on the USD. We made it to zero, they broke through it. And they're kind of just hovering over it now. So I guess gotta wait for the next rotation.
I was really hoping Microsoft would give us a better push today. I wanted it to open above like 336.
Oh, look at Google. Put another trigger to go short on this shit if we hit that target again, I guess.
I'm buying 5 Apple calls.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it looks like a decent higher low right there.
I'm gonna buy it using 178 flat as probably my stop. See if I can get on the right side of this thing.
Yeah, if the QQ wants to move higher, which looks like it might.
It looks firm, but it has to get over VWAP. So
Yeah.
if it can't get over VWAP, it's gonna be a problem. And it's over VWAP. So now the next area of concern is 14,570 that I've been calling out basically the last 3 or 4 days. I've been calling out that level. If it can get firm over that level, I think that everything's gonna get firm.
I'm in shorts on NQ. See what we can get.
Apple still has to get past that 90 and the 5 minute, but it's looking like it wants to though.
It looks good. It looks like it's trying to hold a bid. I just need the NASDAQ to get rippy, and then, you know, I'm hoping that I'm on the right. I know this isn't a V shape, but I'm on the right side of a W, I guess.
It consolidated well down here.
Yeah, so I'm in it from there. And I'm gonna try to play this out. It's at VWAP. The smart thing to do would be to take off a couple, but I think we're gonna get a nice little surge, and we are. Yeah, we're getting a nice surge. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna actually take my W and sell 3, and then I'm gonna hold on to 2.
It's not a bad idea.
Yeah. It's a quick $40 right now.
Yeah, that's a solid scalp.
We are in